Hello guys, in this video we will see how to set up Java environment variable on Windows 11, but the process is same on all Windows operating system. The first step is we must have Java installed. If you haven't installed Java, then there is a link in the video description. You can go through it and you can install it. So first go to C drive, program files, Java, then Java JDK. See here I have the bin directory. The current I have installed Java JDK 17. Okay, we have to navigate to this path. Okay, this is the installation directory. Now right click on this PC, properties, then advanced system settings, environment variables, then go to here. See here we have user variables and system variables. So in system variables click on new, then give the name Java underscore home. This is the variable name. Then we have to provide the value, variable value. So click on browse or copy this directory, then paste here, or you can click on browse and select the path. Both are same. Then click on OK. Now click on path variable. See here. Then click on edit. Then click on new. Then give percentile Java underscore home. This is the variable name. Again percentile backslash bin. Then click on OK. Click on OK. Then click on OK. That's it. We have set the Java environment variable successfully on Windows operating systems. For more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.